Welcome all. Today we are doing an educational video regarding HFNO and NIV circuits for an Minray SV300 ventilator. Everyone familiar with NIV, that means non-invasive ventilation. But in COVID scenario, we are heard a new term, HFNO, that means high flow nasal oxygenation. But in these situations, we are using an ventilator for this delivering high flow nasal oxygenation. That means we are mainly using Minray SV300 ventilator. So in this video, we can familiar with some circuit settings and how we can set a circuit for a ventilator to deliver high flow nasal oxygenation. All these things we can see. For that, we need an SV300 Minray ventilator and humidifier, then oxygen source, then power supply for the ventilator, and HFNO circuit, and heating adapter, heating sensor cable, nasal cannula or NIV mask if needed, sterile water, and sterile gloves and hand rub. These things we have to arrange priorly. This is the HFNO circuit. We can open the cover. This is the humidifier chamber. This chamber should be fixed in the humidifier properly and remove these blue caps. There is a one plastic tube like IV set. It should be take properly. And connect to the sterile water source. There is a auto cut system in this humidifier chamber. So continuously open that IV line. Next you have to take small blue tubes and connect between humidifier chamber and inspiratory port of the ventilator. The long blue tube should be placed between patient side and the humidifier chamber. The white tube should be connect between patient and expiratory port of the ventilator. Next is heat sensing cable. It have three parts. The first dark blue colored pin cable. This is a dark blue color cable. There is an arrow mark and connect to the humidifier properly. Next, the two pinned end of the cable should connect to the end of long tubes. We can remove this cap and connect according to that shape and tighten it properly. Press the pin till you had an tick or click sound. Lastly, the one pinned end of the cable connect to the inspiratory end of blue circuit after opening that blue cap. Next we have to take adapter cable. The adapter cable have three ends. One is yellowish end and have a dot, and that yellowish end should be connected to the humidifier properly, and the three pinned, you can see clearly, three pinned end of adapter cable should be connected to the expiratory line of long blue tube, and the two pinned end should connect to the expiratory end, that means white circuit. Now this circuit is ready for the NIV mask or invasive ventilation for the patient. We have to see one sensing cable inside this circuit, so the heat will be sensing automatically. Check all the connections also, because any air leak will cause the leakage alarm. For invasive or intubated patients, you can select invasive option on the screen. You can see it clearly, invasive. And if you are using non-invasive ventilation, then you have to select appropriate mode, then select NIV options, that means non-invasive option in the monitor. You can use a filter, maybe viral or bacterial filter, at the end of expiratory port of the ventilator. While using an NIV mask, then take an appropriate size of the mask. It should be cover nose and mouth of the patient properly and avoid the leakage. And the mask should be non-vented. If you are taking a vented mask for the ventilator, then you will get an continuously alarm in ventilator. It should be appropriate size and it is non-vented mask. Connect the mask to the end of the circuit and connect to the patient. And fix to the patient's face properly, and it's not too tight and too loose, and start the ventilation. This is a circuit setting for the NIV, that means NIV mask patients. You can change the settings as per doctor's order. And for switching NIV mask to HFNO, go to the standby and press on OK and remove the NIV mask from the circuit and take the high flow nasal oxygenation cannula. This is the high flow nasal oxygenation cannula. This is made by silicone material, then soft, and this is the nostril port of the nasal cannula, and you can remove long blue tube from the Y piece of the circuit, and you can directly connect the nasal cannula to the inspiratory long blue tube of the circuit. Then you can press on the O2 therapy in the monitor. After pressing, you can see two options. One is flow and second one is FiO2. The flow rate you can adjust up to 60 liter per minute. This is the main advantage of high flow nasal oxygenation, and FiO2 you can set up to 100%. Adjust the settings based on the doctor's order, and if you want to switch from HFNO to NIV mask, then you press standby and OK. Then you can select which type ventilation you need to give, whether invasive or non-invasive, and select that one, select mode and start ventilation. You can start the therapy. This is a humidifier, and this is auto temperature setting humidifier and need power supply. And there is 3 buttons in this humidifier. and one is for on and off button. By pressing a long press, it will be off, and pressing on this button, it will be on. Above this power on button, you can see one more button and one green light and two symbols. One is invasive symbol and one is non-invasive symbols. By you can change this green light from invasive to non-invasive by long press on that button. Then the humidifier automatically adjusts the temperature. Same way you can see one more button left side. This is mute button. If it is continuously alarm means you can mute that alarm. One thing you always remember that always use sterile water for the humidification purpose. If you are using NS or RL for a humidification purpose, then it will be produce crystalline products in the humidification chamber. Then you can't use this humidification chamber as a long because fault sensing will be occur. So always use sterile water. I hope that after seeing this video, it's easy to handle high flow nasal oxygenation to the patient.